every year MPP discovers a foolish person. And Oman discover 5 day or maybe and I will study every year you see one discovery. And that is one thing I think say again research still I don't get it. How are you people able to do it? For a special place be a moko na your form to be a and go for failing. Because the way you people are able to discover foolish people, it amazes me. After all these things, now President Edin Komobi FR a year gold board.
By formalizing gold exports, we have reduced smuggling, we have increased recorded exports in the artisanal and small-scale mining sector from 63.6 tons to 103 tons. And we've channeled that foreign exchange into our economy. Mr. Speaker, when the cedi stabilizes, imported inflation falls, businesses can plan better, and household incomes improve. Mr. Speaker, as global uncertainty grows, it is necessary for us to reduce our country's exposure to external shocks, break the cycle of economic downturns, and safeguard our macroeconomic stability. Just last Wednesday, 25th February 2026, the Minister for Finance presented the Ghana Accelerated National Reserve Accumulation Policy to this House. Mr. Speaker, this policy seeks to strengthen our country's external resilience by increasing our international reserves to 15 months of import cover by the end of 2028, supporting long-term structural transformation while safeguarding macroeconomic stability. Mr. Speaker, it is forecast that gold prices will remain high over the next 3 years. And so this presents us with a unique opportunity to build an economic war chest to withstand any global economic shocks, to secure our macroeconomic stability and improve the standards of living of our citizens and build a lasting prosperity for future generations. By formalizing gold exports, we have reduced smuggling, we have increased recorded exports.
Mr. President, take us on a bibi for gold board. I say, Ghana for Oba abecheche gold in sensemu so achiremo. I say, eba gold ende Ghana yetumi and sasi ya bo. Eka se gold way ya dia yetumi etu ye kwan paso etumi enya free mu enya sika free mu as Ghana for no. Yabetu gold no oso mo buy no na omo about 63 tons of gold pen na esiwo. Ti eka se ye ton a na enya sika bia ende because of the gold board buyer or the sami jemfi to ano sebio omototo nyama ekeka nyama sieni ehun se Chinese for wiaye India for wiaye ye be stop illegal mining ye be bo ye ni ankase egudie ho ban e de emra enhyehyeye ene sikasam totoye papa abetare ho no o say ye tumi move from 63 tons to 103 tons and me no ka say sa sika ni nyina abaye Ghana sika anything a gold board etumi making over $10 billion in just a year. I see, and so I said, you all catch a Ghana for the say, ba a yet Ghana gold, moons and summer, and ya pass embra, ya she embra, sebio and gold, no, ya di bibe sie, yen chirima, ebeba abe se gold in the buho. Na embrana oma ya she endra, our parliament by 2 days ago, no, the embran by yana say, ya gold, no, ya could do in Pensobia. Aban bia obebebia no bebia gold ne da no ontumi ton ema ne enkosi ase se yaka se 20 tons da wo ho a 20 tons ene de aban bia ne obetuma ba ka se sa gold wo de nsa bom enti wahemra se yebebo ye gold ne ho ban sebio de ewo ho a ewo se yetumi ton de ade hihye ekuro no ye de ye schools ye de ye kwan ye de hye economy ni mu no ene de yebetumi na emra beda wa just gold no e wo se yetumi tabo no to baby a yentumi ndi gold ne nkopem a sebio yebekọ yenchiri masikemu into see sanyoma we nyina na oye because ono de obi anim se bi ote or buy or the Esla buy or the contingency fund buy or the a lot of fund buy and the menoka say Mahama case and the yare kwankro and nipa bebre entumi nko wontumi fa health insurance entumi enko and the oko Mahama case obo bia da ko ene nkofo no yare ni surgery akese sika over 12 billion de guma omode eboa Ghana fo a omode ko yare kwankro into John Mahama no his life has always been about being proactive and thinking about tomorrow into gold in nsensamon na o se ende yenya gold a yetumi to gold a yebo ho ban ye de kwan paso etu gold esie gold make sure say obi ntumi mbewia na yesu ntumi nkowie obi no o se saa gold no opese ebi ka ho ma ye nchirima no beto na eno ankasa so etumi build a mbre bi a ebedu a gold ehu akọ atwe no ye betumi akọ akọfa bi aton age ye nananom nti o se he is thinking ahead as today yenya gold inda ye ton bi a ye de bi ye Ghana no ono so mpese gold ni nyina de ensa bebom o de mra ya shembra parliament a saa gold ye de tabona to baby a ye ntumi ndi enkom e ho de ye duru a se ye nananom dia in the next 20-30 years no eno na wo so omo so e de bo ekuru hu de bra nti John Mahama ma Ghana fo ati ahye se o chichire man no na oman no enka ye oman no embebunu oman no sebio ya de hia ye nyan wo mo kura no omo so woni tirim nti ene gold a ye nya no o de mbraba ye de bi to ho ye sie bi aban bi antumi banka se media me yekufu ado media me Samira me na me pe gold me wia gold akọ Chad me wia gold de akọ India me wia gold abi ontumi fa nsanka gold because ye de aba parliament abeshembra. Now John Mahama can send me a airport. Now, I say government to begin work on new regional airport in Sunyane, Bolga, and Wa. I say a buying a na buying we or catch a Ghana for say Oma Tenase, Omo Yen Shishaye, Yaba Baye Airport, Ewo Sunyane, Omo Eba Aba Baye Airport, Ewo Bolga Tanga, and Wa. Sunyane Airport and Shadan Sweni. John Mahama huni se osi ye ni ye inti Sunyane Bolga ene wano or the airport ebe koho ema sebio hoso akwentio ene insawoso inti ebedum pempenso bi companies a mo be koho no mega say okay se me ko be company wo wa metuma bankran within 2-3 hours metuma bankran within 1 hour metuma bankran within 30 minutes inti saa nyoma ne eboa companies investors world class companies etumi di omusika be she okurum because source of transportation no very important into see Sunyane wa any Bolga and the omo da tokrata so a omo so eba benya airport krojin dan soko plane betumi tu afri nkran ebetumi tu afri Kumase akọ wa akọ Bolga and ebi so asako Sunyane proper ama Sunyane for omo nyina so any Ghana ye nyina ya chichira bom osaka ensembi efa eye university so ho o say Ghana for government is going to establish 3 new technical universities to strengthen skill development, enhance innovation, and support national industrialization effort. Menoka say, Oko eye John Abujina Pokruma, Oko ha ubonse omuyeden omusi university ho eno eye granta eye Chinese for the maya yedisi eye university. Or say Okacha Ghana for say, or Saba besi 3 modern universities ewo Ghana ha. Senebeya technical university a betuma boa ye mabunu na omo pese omo tertiary institutions ekotwa eye university ne so ekotwa university so omesua eye skill technical skill no or say eye na ban we e de krata atwa omo eba besi eye university technical universities nkwa miensa ewo Ghana ha senebeya eye mmebunu no omo pese omo toa amadesua so ewo sebio university abreso eye technical no omo so benya sa university nako into ahye Ghana for bo say ono ne friend John Mahama no wa be pen ma Ghana for engineering di munyina munjini di say omo esa ababe den ebesi 3 more universities ama Ghana for into moma eno so yemfa nto yekotodwem now oka bibi efa eye to ehun President Mahama eka bibi fa to ho na ede na oka fa to ho moma mbiem na kwase bi ankasa Kevin boa oka bibi fa to ho to de no o say I am pleased to inform this August House that for the first time since 2018 Tema Oil Refinery has commenced the processing of crude oil into petroleum products again. Kwame Nkrumah, around the 1960s, I think, ena one Italians about together ena omusi eye Tema Oil Refinery. Under John Mahama 1, from 2012 to 2016, even from Atamil's time, proper from 2012 to 2016, John Mahama edi ewada akokoto to ye nyina ehu adwuma omo ye na omo nane fango na eboa Ghana. John Mahama free power 2016, January 2017 the Kufuor taking over. January 2018 ena to omugu no. Tema oil refinery and no and turn it tall into a tank farm. Napo, Canada Japan, Baomia, Aya Ekufuado, Gabimo, turn it tall into a tank farm. It is at Breno, ya the petrol bar, kofa petrol, eba, na be store kasa petrol, na ton magana buying. John Mahama be take power in 2025, January. And Menowoka say, John Mahama say, and what's when it ya? Menowoka say, Tor, Tema oil refinery, and the NDC are buying, refining over 40,000 liters a day. We are talking about 40,000 barrels of fuel. And John Mahama and John Mahama, the CEO of Tor is one of the new discoveries under this government. Wabe show Ghana for say, you can be young, but you can prove to Ghanaians to say, when you are given the job and you know what you are doing, you can do it. The young CEO of Tor, the top 10 CEOs are under NDC government. You cannot pick 5 without picking the CEO of Tor. The young man, very quiet, very simple, paying attention to detail, has proven to Ghana for say, you don't have to be 60 years. You don't have to be 50 years. You have to be in a decent age group to be committed and patriotic to work for your nation. And the Tor works 24/7. And that is what John Mahama are instilling in the young people of Ghana. Sami Jemfi, you go to Tor, you go to BOST, you go to NPA, you go to all these very important state institutions. John Jenapo, you see all these young, humble people who are working hard. Humility, they are listening to people. They are not disrespecting people. They are showing intelligence and commitment to the job. They are serving the people. John Jenapo, the boss, CEO, the Tor CEO. You can talk about Sami Jemfi. You can talk about NYE. You can talk about what these are young people. Go to Mahama Kes, Obuobe Dakumo. Go to other agencies. These are people. Go to Forestry Department, Elekem Kotoko. These institutions, Jifa Gunumuna, they are working. You can see these young people are ready and willing to work for the people. Go to the health ministry. Ejuma Akando is doing very solid. My own and own. Already on Yakorasa, Eriko Poku, El Capitano. When it comes to agric, and Ediania Busu Ghana, because of Eriko Poku, the experience. There be na videos and are buying for the first time in the history of Ghana. Ekuafobi blemo buying say aban aduane ne doso betobi. And so yatna ha under MPP. Kwasiafo be ka kire say planting for food and jobs. Omo de bodia betum 20 ebegu nkran say otumfo mfiri Kumase embeto bodia won kran. Under MPP, under Mahamudu Baumia, the Kwasia policy by almost a friend planting for food and jobs. Ye under the leadership of Eriko Poku as the agric minister, Edriania Busso is managing the system. He is trying to coordinate with farmers, and we are seeing bumper harvest. It is because of the collaboration and coordination between the agric ministry and the farming communities and the 24-hour economy market neighbor. All these farmers, they can send it to this market. That is how you build a nation. And the John Mahama or say, and the Orca Sachrewi Tor, Tema oil refinery, that was from John Dramani Mahama. John Mahama Kasafa Ejuma jobs. Let's go to John Mahama. He spoke on jobs. President 1 and then President 2. I will explain.
And according to the Ghana Statistical Services, over 1 million Ghanaians have found employment between quarter 1 and quarter 3 of 2025. Mr. Speaker, and 950,000 Ghanaians have escaped multidimensional poverty over the same period. Mr. Speaker, I'm pleased to report that our external position has strengthened significantly. By December 2025, our current account recorded a surplus of 9.1 billion, representing 8.1% of our GDP. This is a remarkable increase from 1.5 billion or 1.8% of GDP in 2024. These achievements have been driven by robust gold, cocoa, and non-traditional exports.
John Dramani Mahama and the Oka in some Efa Ejumahu. Na eno na MPP for kokobo EPA ejimi. Say John Mahama say over 1 million jobs. Ebin see or see obeji eye banua akonwa kese no as a government. The Okane say or see over 1 million jobs have been created, direct and indirect. Now or see between first quarter of 2025 and the third quarter of 2025. Quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3. Now, so Obika say over 1 million. And the MPP for nam normal kasa, hey, statistical service for a release statement. No mo say quarter 1 and 2 no, na over 300,000. So statistical services say over 330,000 jobs have been created from quarter 1 and 2. It means say if it is over 330,000, the possibility say by quarter 3 2025 it is over 1 million. What's the big deal here? Comprehension amonti anase Jimmy na mojimi. When you read the statistical service document itself, this is the executive summary. Statistical service key labor market outcomes. Let me read it to you. Or say in the third quarter of 2025, John Mahama Kasano or say quarter 1 and quarter 3. Or say in the third quarter of 2025, more than 15 million people participated in labor force. Where a statistical service document. Participated in labor force with approximately 87% employed. Now, when you're talking about 15 million people, 87% out of 15 million people, do the math. Now, when you go for it, it says this: employment increased by over 330,000. When they say employment increased by over 333,000, the first question you ask is, where was the employment number? And then where the 333,000 ever told you so? This is comprehension. Or say employment increased by over 330,000 persons between quarter 1 and quarter 3 of 2025, reflecting continued absorption of labor. Female employment consistently exceeded male employment throughout the period. Urban areas recorded higher employment levels than rural areas, while Greater Accra and Ashanti regions accounted for the largest shares of employed persons. So when you read the document from the Statistical Service said, employment increased by over 330,000 persons between quarter 1 and quarter 3 of 2025. So then you ask yourself, when they said the employment was over 330,000, the probability for we getting over 1 million people between quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, no, it is possible. So what is the noise about? Is it comprehension? Because Statistical Service themselves said employment basically over 330,000. So if 87% of 50 million people were in the job market and then 87% were able to succeed, then it means that 330,000 people were added to the previous number, which the president HM, so over 1 million people got the job. Unless say more MPP for Monte Brofo, unless you don't understand grammar, unless you don't understand the comprehension, unless someone read it is basic, and this is an official document. So 1 million. When you say 330,000, it still means over 1 million, because the 330,000 is not a stagnant number. The Statistical Service could have said, only 330,000 people were employed between quarter 1, 2, and 3. But they didn't say that. They said over 330,000 persons between quarter 1 and 2. So they are making you understand the probability. So already idea MPs no more Jimmy. You just don't take a document and say, because John Mahama said over 1 million, it means nipa 1 million in Drew. When you read the document, the Statistical Service said number 2 million. Now say and the Obechero say 2 million a double R. He is going to tell you say job losses say and the nipa lose ejuma na nipa 1 million lose ejuma. Na last month Obekacho say nipa 1 million lose ejuma. Na say Osabekacho say nipa 1.3 lose ejuma. Obekacho say over 300,000 people were added to the unemployment rate. Meaning, Ocho said there is a significant number that is there already, and adding this number to the significant number. And in Obekacho said over 330,000. The probability that is 1 million, it is high. Into a comprehension, MP before Jimmy. Into the Statistical Service for No, Bekachra will say, oh, last month, over 330,000 people were added to the unemployment rate. It means there was a number that over 330,000 was added. It could be 500,000 people were added to that base number. In some cases, there was an increase of 330,000. That means there was a number that the 330,000 and over was added for you to arrive at the final figure of over 1.1 million. So the president was honest with Ghanaians. The president was reading from Statistical Service document. This is comprehension. Inti Abane created over 1 million jobs. And we have to all understand, the NDC government continuously, consistently, they have been honest with us. John Mahama has been honest. Already speech where we are, me who MPP Nibia, what me jana baby appointing number 5 said John Mahama boy. Nobody. Me who MPP Nibia, what me about out boldly to say John Mahama can we or boy. John Mahama can we or boy. All that they are saying, oh, Abani a settings government. Oh, Abani we there. They cannot point to anything because the president has been consistent and he has been honest with Ghanaians. And that is what we have been asking for all these years. Campaign say NDC back to power. We needed a government that was going to be honest with the people. We needed a government that was going to tell the people the truth, no matter the circumstances we found ourselves in. And the government way to be taking a bold decision to take a decision on cocoa board, because we needed a government that is bold, that is ready to tell its people the truth. It is our reforms now about where they are cocoa board, and then in the next year, about changing the life of cocoa board and the farmers themselves. You always need a government that at a point will make very difficult decisions. At the end of the day, it will be painful, but at the long run, that decision will help every single person. And and I am so happy that John Dramani Mahama and the NDC, they have been consistent when it comes to they telling Ghanaians the truth about how Ghana is state now. Now, in some people yan church mu enchire Ghana for John Dramani Mahama eka in sembi so Ghana for nyina epese omuhu. Now, o can be for feeding grants on feeding grants. John Mahama aban no ayade bia sebio ehunumobo ene senia aban we etumi twane ni ehwe ye nuanom a on a normal day. They bia meka yaka people with a year special needs. Ekufuado falls within people with special needs. But I ba Ekufuado a year me yana say Okokimbu special needs school. But Ekufuado, when he became president, he never cared about people with special needs. The same as Bawumia. Bawumia is on the line. Ekufuado, he falls behind the line. Mahmoud Bawumia is on the line of people with special needs. So we study Bawumia pa na okasa na se ne special needs ne ba. He is on the line. And I left to see her, and then I right to see her. So you can see, say, when it comes to people with special needs, Ekufuado there, he falls behind the line. Only there he's there. But Bawumia, Nenai Bakusia na Bakusia. But John Mahama ya DB and there, Namitieno, Oka Sasam said, this man is a good man. This government is a good government. And Ningnan is saying, government increases daily feeding grants for students in public special schools from 8 Ghana cedis to 15 Ghana cedis per day. Government increases daily feeding grants for students in public special schools from 8 Ghana cedis to 15 Ghana cedis a day. Yenuanuma almost special schools. Sebio. Yenuanubia omode ayana nyoma kitinkiti binti. Send your moye or nyomano, a beer and to say any. Into who will be say Kufuado, who will be about because I say be off, or to which I want to me, or to me train a constabi, or to me or line. So John Mahama a Jenny Yama Yenuanum, Sebio Omuya special assistance. Omuya and moi. Sebio Obi, I want to say ye. Omukotina class ABC, the normal yoga. It takes special skill, training, special attention to help those people. And John Mahama said, Oba na Ekufuado, Sebio Omomuti se Ekufuado, Nango se Ekufuado, Emma Sikaye, Mayade Shomu schools no, na Ekufuado, Emma, every student 8 Ghana cedis a day. Ose dabi. Ono dear, or your president, Sanyoman Ehiano, Nipa Edana Komaso, into what he has done and say, what two omu feeding him, Sandy Paka Krebia or special schools, no, where you are feeding every 8 cities, or they call 15 Ghana cities. Sebio, I was say Omuni Pasano, a lot of attention, a lot of nutrition, a lot of their assistance. Sebio, Samene would di beans, and I mean, me and di Kosia Bakwa, Omonombe here Kosia miensa, because they need a lot of nutrients, they need a lot of assistance, they need a lot of things to keep them to that level. Like Ombedu to say, into John Mahama, even though Ekufuado anya maninua, Ekufuado anya ma onora ne nkofo, Ekufuado anya ma enuanom a motese ono no. John Mahama say ono de onte se Ekufuado, obeboa ye enuanom a omo special schools nti. And then wato omo feeding nim grant nim from 8 cities ako 15 Ghana. Yenya abotre ne nhwe sa ye enuanom no because omo kan ho. This is something I was say Ekufuado fa fon no free Mahama danase. I was saying Nana Danko Ekufuado efa eye phone no ka che John Mahama said John Mahama me da was say obi ti se me ene masefo sebio watumi ama weni akoye ho wedwa na dada ni nyina wedwa afere wubuofu sa de enyumre na gabiti eye British Airways moko UK or the first class Gabi ampara ko airport wanfa yemfi wanfa VIP mpo Gabi ochede akon power and the Gabi Ochidako. I have a video of Gabi Ochidako or the British Airways or Shofia Gabi Ochidako. Time or more 2 minutes or two as a president. The bag 50. The bag is 50. And the Gabi Ochidako took out 2 as a quarter. And that is the reality. And Nana the Danko Kufuadu will be so obedanasia. On for phone and a on Fred John Mahama because John. Little John, I really appreciate you. I appreciate you because myself and Bawumia, we are within that bracket. And you have proven to us that you are human than us. So continue. Ekufuadu nipa, oye nipa papa, okanokra, sa no beya na nadwi. Now, John Mahama sa kan sembi. Na ni nyina fa eye World Cup ho. World Cup. Me unsa so for bi hye nkom. Ya hwe ya ntokwa be si America World Cup number so obodam. Amba so cry at America. Mudi am kwase asebde bia mu hu damage. Now de na ntokwa na bi nsi eye Canada. World Cup ya nya America nko an eye no. Vision na nyankopon yi kire no we nyi Mexico di an kire we nyi Canada di an kire America nko a. Ya nko an no problem. John Mahama President 1 eka nsem ya no pe okane brofum President 2 bi ba be chechirem ewo akankasem. President 1 eka so no say we must ensure supporters wishing to go to the World Cup return as it took a lot of work to get off the US visa ban list. I hope this event does not put us back on it. Or see Osremo Ghana fo amo pressure mo beko America go World Cup. Osremo kaisa na nsia US there to list so na yentumi mpo enya visa emba America. Ose World Cup ne de onsi obi akwan se mema ne nko. Ose obepese Ghana for dodo obeko akohwe Ghana na yabo agi omoso oni ebeko aye ne obebo oni ebebo aye ne obebo ye asante kotokoto se ye gigi akase phobia obi ase ye phobia obi ase ye untumi ntake ose mu nyina eye se mo be de mo betumi akọ America akohwe World Cup no na ose mo na my imagine say mudu America amomba fie no osremo ya the list no be ma Kevin Taylor ya de obia picture ya de obia din samoba na mankwa Kevin Taylor be kwa report mama ice ene de me ka kirem muntie moni ebebo aye ne mo bebo moni ebebo aye ne mo bebo moni ebebo aye ne mo bebo asati kotokoto say ye gigi phobia obi ase aye phobia obi ase aye phobia ultimate take only that day only draws only flabbergasted John Mahama say mo am besa boko World Cup no nyame enem nko monya process ni nya pepepe obi opeso ko support Black Stars bia no he is happy he supports monkai America for the to list so nansia no muni ye say omoma na nka ompese ye beba America o say BBT America for the year free sa red list nim o say yen kan kire mo say Ghana for a mobile World Cup or America no. Also TS said the moment I will be apply you beji information udin was so or picture e was so no. You be for the documents ni nyina koma Ghana embassy wa America. Now for the information ni nyina koma Ghana embassy wa America. What is going to happen and they say Ghana embassy na e what DC any New York no. Ombe hold the document no. Ye wie World Cup na say you wuse one ba ombetam document in the eyes. And I would like to say this because we are check. I would like to applaud the ambassador, Mr. Victor Smith, and especially the Ghana consulate, New York. In fact, you know something? There is something recently man notice, and for a very long time Ghana for Bebre, they were complaining about the services at Ghana embassy edema Ghana for America. But for about a year now, or a year and almost about 3 months, after a year, Mr. Victor Smith, the consulate director or a year New York. I am trying to get his name. Do you have the man's name? Do you know the reason I'm saying that? Meshada Suma ni pebi momo call Ghana Embassy New York. I wanted to test the system to see how quick and how professional Ghana Embassy New York they have become. Because you see, for some time now, a lot of Ghanaians complained a lot about Ghana Embassy, how their services at here. Now, man, for complaining about Washington DC and the Ikufuado and the Baumia, there were some people too who were complaining a lot about almost services in New York City. Now, what I did was, I had a couple of friends, and I'm person called Ghana, and I'm because but I can't find the visa, the passport, and Ghana Embassy, Washington DC. Now, but I also enfa ne dieno enko New York City. I wanted to see something, but as somewhere na Mama Kai, I've always wanted to applaud the ambassador himself, Victor Smith, and also the man who is in charge of the New York consulate, a friend of Caleb Amwa. I deliberately made my cousin. We saw a man he didn't say, you know what? This is my cousin until New York. This is my cousin until Ohio. And I'm catching and say, send it to New York. I'm doing something. And I'll say, cool. Me want 3 months to go to Ghana. Now my passport number. I say, just do it. Just make sure when you send it, add a return bill. Make sure that your passport doesn't get missing. Hey, the professionalism now. Embassies no especially that Mr. Caleb Amwano in New York, the consulate, that guy, it is exceptional. When was the last time I would say Obi complaining about New York consulate? Something is going on there. Somebody wasn't professional. My passport my friend This is the first time I have seen any office in America, a Ghanaian officer, their work ethics is abrofu. They are not perfect. But I am beginning to see, changes are back. And I'll give credit to the ambassador, Victor Smith himself. Because you see, experience is important. And for him working with people with experience and understanding the work and giving them the room to also use their experience to make sure, the right things are done. No? I was shocked. I was amazed. And if I open the phone lines like that, Mr. Caleb Amwano, I think he is the acting consul general. Caleb Amwa. He's one of the most fantastic people. And you don't get people complaining about Ghana consulate in New York. You don't get anybody complaining. When was the last time I saw Obika say, hey, and a Ghana consulate, New York, me call hono, and yes, say, when you call, they pick. The professionalism is changing overnight. Visa processing, passport, everything is on point. And sometimes you ask yourself, inti, you nipa abu to me, And this Mr. Caleb, who is in charge of that place, Mr. Caleb Amwa, and the ambassador himself, who is also in charge of all the consulates, and also in DC, an office, now you can see the professionalism. People are not complaining, say, I'm my passport, I can't talk to anybody. I cannot talk to anybody. Nobody's speaking my call. Because people, the way they returned my cousin's passport in 3 days, expedited. And when they even sent it, they had to call him to say your passport has been mailed to you. They never knew say it was my cousin. I wanted to see. But they put me to shame. They basically embarrassed me. And every day now when team say I'll talk about this matter. Ghana from New York, Ghana from Washington DC, they can attest to this. The changes. And if you have met the ambassador before, the last time I went to Ghana and I'm back, I was on the same flight with Mr. Victor Smith. And you will be shocked to know, imagine on your ambassador, the humility. He was walking through the line like any other person, talking to ordinary people, explaining things. I was in my seat and I was watching the man. I was like, now these people, they are making the job so easy. They are making things look like you can walk to any government official and speak to them for them to give you answers. And that is what we wanted all these years. They hear you. Your embassies no ebetie ye kasa mu betie ye from mu befa ye hear assistance amu be maye finito ye no betena ha de mu pe be yamamo. And Ambassador Smith and Mr. Caleb Yabua, the consular, New York embassy. These are exceptional people, especially the New York people. And see, I am using this platform to say, I'm applauding them. They have done marvelously well. And they need to make things more better. And I know from the experience of this man, I know they are going to change things there. And the ambassador, of course, everybody knows his experience and what he has done. Over Victor Smith, in Ghana politics, nobody knows Victor. Nobody can say only Victor Smith. In Ghana politics, he's a comrade, a pure NDC JJ Rawlings fighter to this point. They understand the party, they understand the service, they understand the commitment. So Victor Smith is a grassroots member. No abedruha. His exceptional experience is there. You cannot get any bad thing to say about that man. Ope Infantini Benina, very respectful. At his age, he's still talking to young people like they are his colleagues. That is service. That is people showing respect. We are Ghana in our Shamia. Let's give them credit. The Ghana Embassy in Washington, D.C., and then the consulate, New York, led by Mr. Caleb Amwa. Exceptional people. These are things. More person moko US no. More person moko World Cup no. President say monko na mumbra. Last me who say kwasie bi abonye so de okuta list bi and ade ende mo de mama kwasie no mbobo mudin muduru e beje pictures nyina. Wa o pese wo kọ World Cup no fa ekwan paso. So wa ko be bia ko tro udin a it does not automatically guarantee you access to the World Cup. It is why you also the kwasia the Leicester come abroad be mo akọ World Cup and the wujimi. We are going to make sure the right people come to the World Cup. They have to go through the right process. It is why you say abronya kwasia we bobo udi on TV so be mo akọ World Cup and you bodam. Make sure you follow the process and make sure you do the right thing. That is the only way. That is the only way I'll be to about World Cup. Depending on what you say, abronya kwasia the numu we bobo udi as a benya list TV and I'm so kwasia we the name say ate. Where Jimmy Four and Hokan we ebo din just a guarantee World Cup. It is not going to guarantee you any World Cup. It is not going to guarantee you any World Cup. Inti obey the right thing, the right thing. They now obey no guarantee World Cup. Kwasia de sa bronya bo din and then the guarantee World Cup. Do the right thing, follow the procedure, make sure the right things are done, you will get access to the World Cup. As simple as that. The State of the Nation, President Debre and the Ghana no. Akabako Enye, President Mahama esa de tato. President Mahama say, it is gratifying, brofuno kanu. It is gratifying to note that my colleague leaders in West Africa have declared me, John Dramani Mahama, unopposed by the grace of God, sole candidates for the position of chairperson of the African Union when the rotation chairmanship returns to West Africa in 2027. Ose Ghana for odamwase. Na emwa odo enempaye modia support na aban. Respect I will show musumu show amano. Ende odia koma pa. Ene odo kachire mu nyina mo say. Eye ECOWAS. West Africa eye president nyina mo ECOWAS. Omu nyina aba together say 2027 eye chairmanship a eba Africa no. Omo West Africa nyina agi ono jo Mahama tum ede sebio omonsa esikrata so ahyebo edinsie say 2027 because of who Ghana for odo any support any emwa ne empire amode aboa no ma ewiase afa ne nyina ene ne nuanom eye leaders omo West Africa ehu adwuma pa omo yenti 2027 ne nuanom leaders omo West Africa ha ahye ne bo say ono John Dramani Mahama chairmanship na eba West Africa no he is going to be the chairman of ECOWAS 2027. Mompre John Mahama. Thank you very much for staying. Being at the Kevin Ekobedu Taylor before I be pon show no, more 1 or 2 jandams to kill. A year MPP4 enam almost circulating news be say Cashew ya test 20% omoboa and the asemno abetoho a year Cashew TCDA omo dibanke say sa 20% cut claims na NPP4 de nam say ya take Cashew for Cashew 20% no omo say omoboa still omo talk Cashew price omo ton no 12 Ghana cedis per kilo still 12 Ghana cedis and this will be nam radio so TV so MPP ni bi nam ekuro so akotena baby say Cashew for ya tie sika so 20% a omo se munsi omo hu omo nka no kure omo boa ekumaku a Cashew ehye omo ase a ye from TCDA omo say Cashew bi ani wa ya te so Ghana sika omo tuama Cashew for a kilo eye 12 Ghana cedis a kilo eno ana omo da hutia omo ente Cashew sika so enti MPP for nama sa jandam no mamunjindi John Mahama aban no eba for ekuafo obeye bibia protect ekuafo into way jandam so a yakele and me no ka say Cashew a kilo 12 Ghana yente so baby gina ene gina mema obi enda adao Cashew farmers mamo empanike MPP for boa atro ba omia na small mo bedi sa atro no omu ni asempapa bi aka kire Ghana for Jimmy any atro and adoko MPP4 Cashew is still selling a kilo 12 Ghana cedis bibian sesan now maka kire mo am person the MPP ba power say there was 7 more years to go. So 7 years more to go no a strategic 7 years. I'm going to be here for the next 7 years on air. After 7 years, and just me jayo. Member 5 times a day, be a week, be member 4 times a week. After 7 years, no, and as a Kevin Taylor is awful. So member 5 days a week, metaswa about 4 days a week. Anything I make 7 years on air, no. It is I'm got 7 years. After 7 years, there Kevin Taylor be call. Dabio after 7 years, no, met me days no so bako. Week no matter so bako, and just 7 years, me close it down. Into more my is about me about power no me wa how obi ani wo betu ba me about power me call me wa high nobody obi ani Ghana o ye MPP ni o betu ba me about power me metia na me so me adwuma na mo ye ni bi no nobody na mo wan nim nyansa mo MPP for wan nim nyansa mo MPP communicators wan nim nyansa wan betu makasa magana ni aginedi mo MPP communicators wan betu makasa mo betu ka say oh ampa o we di unim nyansa o we di ma fa gidie enko we di onu nti mo amokasa kasa wan nim nyansa o betu makasa che di ka say abrante waka asem meto am MPP we nti wan mo ho be na ye mo wan nim nyansa o betu makasa convince Ghana ni wan nim nyansa MPP communicators wan nim nyansa say obetuma tena radio so akasa na obitu akasa me de tumi be maba omi a mo committee na amusa mo say intimi betuma akasa se obi adwuma ba omi aba power amusa mo sa question no ba omi ankasa e ka ono nkwa na oto a otumi busa no say e de na omo kas de na e kasa mami ono ankasa to be busa no ho o to be busa no say wan mo ne kasa ma mi we mo na de me ba power busa no ono ankasa onim ne yire Samira nim saba omia to me ba power and makache ba omia mokwa Samira di no it has affected you. Good evening to Obia Yapon. Have a wonderful night. Monday, Nyamiadum, Yebishia. Gigim.
You know it, I know it. MPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it.
The MPP of Darocha, Sakiskek, Victor Wusu, Kofi Buzia, Professor Edubuahe, Alajete, J.A. Kufuor. Those men of value, those men of integrity are not what we have today. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas. I tell you without mincing words,